Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. Compute the following. And what is the expression given to you over here? The expression is written like log of fourth root of 729 multiplied by cube root of 9 power minus 1 multiplied by 27 to the power minus 4 by 3 is given to us. So how should I proceed further? The base of this log is 1 by 3. We should write it like log of fourth root of 729 means 729 is which power of 3? First of all, you should think it of like this. So that will be becoming what? 3 to the power 6 multiplied by cube root of 3 to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 4 by 3. And base of this log is what? 1 by 3. Then log of fourth root of 3 to the power 6. Then cube root of 3 to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 4. And base of this log is 1 by 3. Then log of fourth root of 3 to the power 6 multiplied by cube root of 3 to the power minus 6 and base is 1 by 3. Then log of fourth root of 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 6 and power of it is 1 by 3 and base is 1 by 3. Then log of fourth root of 3 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2 base is 1 by 3. Then log of fourth root of 3 to the power 4 because 3 to the power 6 minus 2 will be 3 to the power 4 base is 1 by 3. Then log of 3 base to the base is 1 by 3. That means minus 1 will be your answer. Now what about the next subpart of this question? The B subpart is given to you like a to the power log of n base b divided by log of a base b, and here also b as the base is given to us. Then we are going to apply the base changing formulas converse. The log of n base b and base over here will be written as a by me. So how should I proceed further? The a can come over here and log n base a will come down. So it will be becoming log n base b to the power log of a base a. And guys, we know log of a base a is equal to 1. So the final answer will be becoming log n base b. Log n base b will be the final answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.